So you got your Snake River Farms package. Here's what you can expect to find inside. Upon opening your box, you're gonna find a piece of paper that lists every item that you ordered from our website. With all of our packages, we have pretty similar installation. The key thing though is that all of our insulation that we use is completely recyclable. Inside the box, you're gonna find 4 different things. The first thing is the cook guide. Now this cook guide gives valuable information on how to prepare and cook each one of our different products that we offer in a safe and effective way. The second is gonna be an installation bag that you can keep your product in. The thermal bag is awesome for keeping things nice and cool. You can store product in here in the freezer or fridge, or it's just nice to take with you if you're bringing your product somewhere else, let's say for a family barbecue. And the third thing is the product. In every shipment, we guarantee that your product will either come frozen or partially frozen. Now, what does partially frozen mean? I'll show you. Partially frozen means that your product will come with ice crystals forming on the outside. The outside might have a little bit of give, but the inside will be firm. As long as it is under 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it's safe to use. You can throw it in your fridge, it'll keep for up to 7 days, and that is backed by the USDA as well. So that's what we mean by partially frozen. Or if you don't want to use it right away, you can toss it in your freezer. We highly recommend that you completely thaw all your product before cooking it. Now, when should you thaw your product? As a rule of thumb, it's about 6 hours of thawing time for every pound. So for something as small as a pork chop, it's gonna thaw pretty quick. Something as big as a whole bone-in ham or roast or a brisket, it's gonna take quite a bit more time. So if you're gonna thaw one of those larger items, make sure you plan ahead a few days. Now, as far as how you thaw your product, we recommend something as simple as a plate or a tray. You place your product on it, and then you place it on an empty shelf in your fridge. The reason why we suggest something like a tray or a plate is because even though we do individually vacuum seal and flash freeze each product that we offer, there's no guarantee that during the shipment process, maybe a small tear or hole was made in the plastic, and we don't want juices to leak out while it's thawing. Usually doesn't happen, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So after you've emptied your box, you put your product in your fridge or your freezer. The only thing that's left in your box is the dry ice. Leave it in there. Put the box outside, it'll eventually evaporate, and then you can throw those bags away.